I've been attending for the last 4 years, every year, and I really enjoy meeting new people, but also, more importantly, learning about key issues and what people are doing to solve those issues.
I think it's fantastic. It's a great way to meet people. It's a great way to be exposed to a wide variety of companies and what they're doing. Where would you normally get that in your daily work?
I've been very impressed, pleasantly surprised. These are some fairly senior people from a broad swath of the medical device industry and from around the country.
It's a collaborative peer group discussion that is moderated by individuals who are in the thick of grappling with the same issues everyone else is.
It's very easy to take a lot of this back to your companies, to your companies and share best practices. And then, we get a lot of contacts out of this as well.
Describe it as a very powerful networking tool to meet, again, with people that we know or people that have similar challenges, similar responsibilities in other companies in an environment where you can talk about them.
It was pretty good, well organized, well attended. The content was very good, so I'm happy.
I think it's fantastic. It's all taken care. We just come, walk around and meet people.
It's always a pleasure to get out and meet like-minded folks.
I'm pleased I came. My first hurdle to pass in terms of judging the program is, was it worth my time to come here? And the answer to that for me is yes.